Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: active Reply account, scheduled lesson, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, open the classroom link in your dashboard or from the calendar invite. Make sure to test your microphone and camera before the session starts so you avoid delays. Use a headset if possible for clearer audio. You'll see the virtual room load. Wait for the green Join button and click it. This first step gets you into the live space quickly and reliably. Once inside, focus on using the core tools: the whiteboard for explanations, screen share for examples, and file upload to send materials. You'll switch audio and video controls as needed, so mute when not speaking to reduce noise and use chat to drop links or quick notes. Make sure to present PDFs or images directly on the board and launch interactive activities if available. This keeps learners engaged. You control pacing, so pause often, ask questions, and check comprehension as you go. You finish by summarizing the lesson, assigning homework, and confirming the next session time so expectations are clear. Once done, save the whiteboard content and download any shared files, then send a brief post-class message with highlights and next steps. If something goes wrong, for example audio drops or video freezes, try reloading the classroom, switching to another supported browser, or checking camera and microphone permissions. These quick fixes resolve most issues and get you back on track fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.